Well, folks, here we are. The day has finally come. We're gonna clean everything up and move it. Oh, so I can build the shop.
There's a lot of pressure on here.
Okay, got mine. $13 smoothie, 2 rusty nuts, the ambulance, the welder. What does that mean? All right, so as you can see, the pad is clear. I didn't get rid of anything, unfortunately. I probably should have. But here we go. We've got our material over there. We're gonna get a 40 by 40, 16-foot eave height, gabled end shop. And then I'll be able to put, you know, all our fanciness, not the boat. I still gotta get rid of that. But the permit's finally approved, so construction should start really, really soon. It was supposed to start last July. No, not this, well, this past July. So there's been, you know, whatever delays for whatever reason. A lot of it was getting the permit from the city, which finally got approved this past week. So we should be erecting the building very, very soon. And I'll get as much video footage as I can. The problem is I work during the day, and then that's when, you know, most of the work will be done. But I'll try and set up some cameras, and I've also got some footage of the pad pouring and all that stuff. When we'll wrap that in there when I actually do the whole video for the shop. But really excited. I've been wanting to do this ever since I moved here, and it's finally getting to happen. Once the shop gets built, I'm gonna move some stuff around. Hopefully we'll get the Z gone, and we'll move the Jeep back on the pad, and then I'll have the Subaru and the Volkswagen in here, and then on that back row right there, I'm gonna start stripping these cars and getting rid of them. So I'm gonna strip what I can, sell the parts off it, and then just probably scrap the rest. But that's about it. Just want to give you guys this quick update, and I'll see you next time.